It looks like I did individuals, and I didn't. Get out my way. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Toyotress. They sent me some hair to try for you guys. It's also Sip and Slay, and your girl got her Stella Rosa wine cooler on deck. Okay, listen, I've been waiting 2 weeks to drink me some wine, okay? And I had to get me the cooler. Oh yes! Now, before we get into the install of this hair, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this hair was sent to us by Toyotress. All the specs of my hair are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. They did send me 8 packs of this hair, and it comes in packaging just like this, and then the hair looks like this. So you get the normal, you know, like box braid look with the goddess braid, you know, wavy, you know, hair attached to it. So that's what that looks like. It does come with the pre-loop, so it's easy to install, nothing crazy. I'm excited to try this hair, y'all. I have been wanting to try a goddess braid look on me, but y'all know I can't commit to nothing, okay? So we are doing my easy go-to crochet method with my crochet cap. I hope that it comes out like I want it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I do my braid down. I already parted my hair and greased my scalp, so I'm doing the half and half. This hair will pretty much be covered with a wig cap and my wig grip, and then the crochet cap, and then in the front we're gonna actually do the illusion box method. A lot of you guys been commenting on my natural hair in some of my recent videos, and I appreciate it. Your girl has been doing a lot better doing her trims and greasing her scalp and using her oil. These are the two that I use. So it's by Difunee. I use the Peppermint Oil and the Jamaican Castor Oil. Both of those will be linked in my Amazon store, as well as my grease, you know, my Blue Magic. I got another new one, okay, because I'll be going through that joint real quick. Okay, so before I do the illusion box method, let me pre-part my hair. Okay, so like I said, we're going to use the illusion box method. So I got this method from my girl Mary Kay Bella, and I'm going to make sure that I do this correctly, because for the life of me I could not understand how she did it the first time, and I kept messing it up. But now I got it. Now I understand. I was putting too many legs on my plait. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about now. So I need to part my hair like this. I guess I'll take my glasses off. Okay, so I gotta part my hair like that. Part it like that, and I'm gonna braid this hair back like a normal plait. It don't gotta be super tight. Oh, well, I'm not gonna make mine super tight because obviously I wanna keep my edges. Plait it down. I don't wanna use no rubber bands this time, so that's why I'm using this method. Okay, so that's pretty much good. So initially I was doing 3 legs. 3 legs meaning 1, 2, 3, like this, okay? I was doing 3 legs like that. You don't need 3 legs for this method. So you split it actually in 2. Okay, you split it in 2. This, the front one will be your 3rd leg, okay? So let me show you guys. So you split it in 2, like that. You lay this one in the middle, like that, okay? And then you just plait. And that's how you do the illusion. I don't have to braid this all the way down because the rest of mine will be under my cap. So that is how you do the illusion box method. And my parts are not super neat because I didn't want a lot of tension on my braids, so I didn't use any type of edge control or gel on my actual hair. Just excuse that, okay? I know it's a little frizzy, but you ain't gonna be able to see it once I get it all styled, okay? So shh, shh. So for the crochet, I wanted a flip over method on my right side. So depending on what side you're doing, you wanna make sure that your crochet is facing the right direction. If I was to do this upwards, my crochet would kind of have like a hump to it. It would kind of sit up like this. So that's why I inserted my crochet hook going down and then looped it that way. So when I get to this side, I'll loop it down this way. I won't go up, I'll go down. I think we are looking pretty good, okay, for the look that I'm going for. I'm gonna use my She Is Bomb Edge Control. Okay, I'm gonna use a little bit of my Topic right here in the front. Kind of fill that in a little bit. Okay, so let me go ahead and do my makeup before we put on the back part, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I need to put on the rest of the wig. I don't think I have a black wig cap, so I'm gonna have to make this work without it. try this again. Make sure this is folded down. And let me fold this little part in here. Like that. Ooh, she is secure. Okay, okay. Now let's see if these gonna place where I need them to. Okay, I think we got it. Put my glasses on so I can see. Ooh, I got mosquito dust on my glasses. Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all. Not bad. Let me turn around. Let me turn around. Hold up, hold up. Ooh, this is pretty. I probably could add, do I want to add some more back there? Nah, I'm not gonna do it. Now wearing the wig cap definitely helped because it hides any type of imperfections or gaps that I may have in my wig. This is how she looks on the side. Okay, so if you plan on doing any type of up styles, you would definitely have to make sure that you hide this down. You can definitely do a half up, half down with this, but a full up is not gonna work without a scarf. You can see the cap a little bit, but again, because it's black and my hair is black under here, you can't really tell unless you're all up on my head, which you should not be. I'm okay with this. I can definitely go in and add some more if I want to, but this density is okay with me. So now all together I used 5 of the 8 packs of hair. It does come with 16 braids in each pack. It took about an hour and a half from start to finish, so nothing crazy. Okay, so I just pulled it up in a ponytail right here. Y'all, she is cute. She even looks fuller in the back now. Let me turn around so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, and you can't see that cap on the side. Okay, wig cap for the win. You hear me? It looks like I did individuals, and I didn't. Y'all, now after a while, this hair right here will get tangles. So, you know, just kind of pull those through to get those back where they need to be. You can definitely put some mousse on the hair if it'll help it, but I'm not gonna do that today. And it's Juneteenth weekend too. Listen, get out my way. Get out my way. What are we thinking? Y'all tell me down below what y'all think about this one. My forehead is out because y'all know I got a lot of forehead real estate, but you know what? I don't care, okay? I don't care. The way this is looking, I'm okay with that. I mean, it is gorgeous, y'all. It is literally gorgeous. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Toyotress for sending me this hair. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link as well as my specs down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.